In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this part and this drawing. It's part 27, lower die to outer ring, and it's part of the button maker project, project 8.1. And the part is shown dimensioned on page 18 of that document. I'm going to start out by creating a new part. Add a new sketch on the XY plane. Create a circle at the origin, and make that a diameter of 3.063. Another circle also at the origin, and a diameter of 2.625. Two more at 2.125. .563. I'm going to extrude out a distance of 1 inch. I'm going to go in the reverse direction, and I'm going to choose all these I'm going to extrude, and I'm going to, as a profile, I'm going to choose, I'm going to go in the reverse direction, and I'm going to choose profile and select all the diameters other than the middle one, and go out 1 inch in the reverse direction so I can keep the sketch on this top surface. Hit OK. I'm going to go to this extrusion, and I'm going to change the sketch to turn the visibility back on. I'm going to go ahead and extrude out reverse direction, remove material, choosing these two inner profiles, and go in 0.156. And one more time, I'm going to extrude by just choosing this inner diameter, remove material, go in, and I'm going in 0.781 inches. And I'm going to come back here to this sketch and turn off the visibility. I'm going to go to my chamfer tool, and I'm going to set the chamfer to 0.06. And choose this edge here. I'm going to turn the part around and create a new sketch on this surface. Draw a circle from the origin and make that diameter 2.438. I'm going to extrude, remove material to a depth of 0.063. I'm going to go to my fillet tool, and I'm going to add a fillet of 0.031. At that edge and that edge, 0.031. going to go to my front direction. I'm going to open up my origin folder, and I'm going to look for that plane. In this case, it's the XZ plane. And I'm going to create a sketch on that plane. I'm going to turn on Slice Graphics. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to turn on Construction Geometry. I'm going to create a centered rectangle at that point and make the sides 0.031 tab, and this is 0.016 times 2. I'm going to turn off Construction Geometry. I'm going to draw real geometry from that point to there, and then close the I'm going to extrude in both directions all the way, and I'm going to remove material. Hit OK. And if you zoom in, you can see the notch I just created. Go back to my front direction, and I'm going to create another sketch on this XZ plane. I'm going to turn on Slice Graphics, turn on Construction Geometry, and I'm going to project cut edges, and I'm also going to project geometry. I'm going to project that edge there. I'm going to go ahead and turn off Construction Geometry, and I'm going to draw a centered rectangle. Make the width 1.563, the tab, and then grab this edge here. I'm going to extrude out. I'm going to remove material, but I'm going in this direction, and let's go out a distance of, you can just drag this arrow like such to create the notch shown in the drawing. I'm going to go ahead and specify the material. I'm going to, using this pull-down menu here, I'm going to look for steel alloy. If it's not there on the pull-down list, you may have to go over to the iProperties menu, right-click here, go to iProperties, and look under Physical, and you may have to look for it here. As one last step, this is for purposes of assembly. I'm going to add some work planes on a centerline axis. I'm going to go to my planes and offset plane, and I'm going to come over here to my origins folder and look for that work plane. Set that at 0, and do it again. Offset plane. Specify this one. Set it at 0, and I'm going to create an axis, and I'm going to do it the intersection of two planes, and point to the two planes I created. I'm going to grab that axis, and I'm going to extend the lines out a bit.